All right, so we're back with another episode because we have another trade. It's a take profit trader 5 account copy trade challenge to take 5 accounts to a fully funded account eventually. Looking at the Quantower chart here, you can see we just entered a position, and I'm going to draw some lines here. We're going to manage this actively. Um, But our target is right here. So this is a pivot zone extension, very similar to the other trades I've been taking. And yeah, I like this trade a lot. I'm very confident with it. It may not we may not make it all the way to the target, but if we get close to it, we're just going to close it out because we are extending. And I do expect us to yeah, hopefully make it to the target, but you never know. So we entered here, and that's going to be our stop loss is here, but we don't plan on making it to our stop loss. Plan on getting out prior to that. And that's pretty much what we're managing right now. Looking at Bookmap, I'm going to put that on the screen for y'all since you know what I'm in. You do see we have aggressive buyers stepping in. So just stepping up, and we're taking out these levels. If we look at Bookmap, we have some levels. 23,950. Wouldn't be surprised if we get close to there. So I'll just have you keep an eye on Bookmap there. See if we can take out these orders that are resting above. Where are we at? We took a 3 contract position. We're 3.5, 4 points into it. I'd be happy to take 6 points here, to be honest. I mean, we're here to make money and take money. We're not here to get rejected on and just give away cash. So that's why I like this strategy. It's very small. Um, what I've noticed is it doesn't always make it to the profit target, but it gets pretty close. So if we get to like 80% of the profit target, like 6 to 8 points, this is a little larger trade here. Um, it says 43 ticks, so it's like a little more than 10 points. CVD is increasing. We're back at break even right now on the trade. And we'll see if we can make it there or if price rejects right here. There's a lot of selling interest up top, and I would assume that we continue to push up just a little bit. So I'm going to show you all some pivots here. And we are far enough away from the point of control too. That's another factor. I keep forgetting to confirm that before entry, but let me bring you into trading view for a moment while this trade plays out. And you can see that we have these different pivots on trading view. That's what these trades are based off of. So you get these high and low pivots and these extensions. So you can draw these pivots. They're based off this calculator right here. And you can enter everything. And that's what these trades are based off of. I exit, all right, enter in Quantower. So that's why you see trade in Quantower. It's kind of annoying to have to go through all these different platforms, but this is the only way I can copy trade it right now. Okay, so we're at 4 points. If we get a couple more points, we're going to be happy closing this trade out. So let's see, where are we at? We still have some momentum though. Still looks like we're pushing up, but we're getting close to the resistance zone. So if we can get to 40 here, that's 6 points. I'd be happy with a 6 point trade here. See if we can get 6 points out of it. Coming back into Bookmap, you will see the resistance that we're coming up onto. I don't anticipate us breaking through all of that, but it's possible with the buyers having so much control. But again, I'm not getting greedy, and I think we just hit our TP. So I'm going to keep yours on Bookmap for a second to see if we break through these zones. Let's just keep an eye on it. Maybe we were a little tight on the profit target. We still had momentum. Let me go back to trading view. We still had momentum. Still looks like it's pushing. Looks like some of those orders were removed there on Bookmap map right here. So wouldn't be surprised if we start to move back down, but I wouldn't be surprised if we continue to try to grab these orders and head up towards this sell wall up a little bit higher. But nonetheless, pretty good trade. We'll monitor it for a minute or two more, and then I'm going to go ahead and log this one, upload the trade, and we'll go from there. Looks like we probably would have hit our target if we just were confident enough, but again, man, we're trying to pass this challenge and we're trying to move forward and not back, and starting to see some patterns on it. If I try to take the trade to the tick, I'm missing it by a tick or two sometimes, and it's just rejecting on me pretty hard after that. So our account's up to 51,442. We're up 69 on the day after two trades. And we just took in another $36 on that trade. Price still looks like it's pushing up, but we're out. And that's our pivot zone extension trade. Once again, this is a pretty good trade. So I'm going to keep looking for these zones and see if I can continue to peck away at this challenge.